Eat up the sunak. May I go to ground. Run it back. So, when you're done, you come round there, yeah?
Uncle Shepherd, I can get some water, please?
If you can get some water, of course you can get some water. Hold on. I'll go and get it for you here. I'll soon come. Kiss up me. And them same thing I can't take with her now, you know. Technology in the house and she don't even tell me if you angle it. Water you want, child? Water you going to get? Here you go.
Thank you, Uncle Shepherd.
You are so welcome, my dear. I love how you drink water, you know. It is always a good thing to drink up enough water. Good for your kin.
Yes, Daddy told me that water is very good for me.
And guess what water good for again?
What?
Me grum, me go water it. When Mildred come, tell her I say me out a door, yeah?
Yes.
Alright. I will pick on again. You don't say I'll ask me something. So.
Some things. Well, card, yeah. Yes, Gabriel. Want to get us some things for me? Yeah, one dozen tropical reading, 1 dozen Gatorade, 2 cases of big bottle water. You have any of the small one? Have any of the baby one and small? Yeah. Alright, then we want 2 bags of that. You have any Magnum? Alright, if you have any, you want dozen Magnum. Alright? Yeah, we'll have the money. I think I like it, you know. I swear.
You can't think you like it, Tony. And them something about say talk about, you know. You're supposed to be more alert.
Whisper me no. I just not even know what to tell you.
Why? I don't know, but it's obvious. You just lose focus. What going for you? You alright?
Yeah, I'm good. Me and Karen good now, cause he might get back the customers they when they lose. So yeah, I'm good.
You look like you're not too good. Cause you see a back turn and everything and you're so open. And you have to remember, say you have somebody around here who pray you. This is loose behavior and it's not acceptable. I could have bossy it, the worse.
Please, not send out to her. Me I beg you, not send out to her.